How to get ESPN Plus free trial. ESPN Plus does not currently offer a free trial directly for new users. However, you can still explore ways to try ESPN Plus at a discounted or bundled rate. Here's how you can check for free or cost-effective options. Overview. While ESPN Plus doesn't have a standalone free trial, you may find promotional trials through Disney bundles or third-party providers. Step 1. Visit the ESPN Plus website or app. Go to www.espn.com/ESPN Plus or open the ESPN app. Look for any promotional offers on the homepage. Step 2. Explore the Disney Bundle option. The Disney Bundle includes Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus at a reduced price. Check if your Hulu or Disney Plus subscription offers a trial or discount that includes ESPN Plus. Step 3. Check third-party offers. Verizon promotions. Some Verizon wireless plans include a free trial or complimentary subscription to the Disney Bundle. Log into your Verizon account to see if you're eligible. Other providers. Some internet or mobile providers may offer ESPN Plus as part of their promotional packages. Step 4. Sign up for ESPN Plus. If no trial is available, sign up for ESPN Plus directly. Go to www.espn.com/ESPN Plus. Enter your email and payment details. Plans typically start at $9.99 per month. Step 5. Cancel before the renewal, if needed. If you've subscribed through a promotional bundle, check its terms to avoid charges after the promotional period. For standalone subscriptions, go to Account Settings, Manage Subscription. Select Cancel Subscription if you decide not to continue. By following these steps, you can explore ESPN Plus through promotions or bundled services and decide if it's worth subscribing to long term.